Hello. Um, this is another pumpkin I made. It's running a circuit, an oscillator circuit inside, like this one. But here on this circuit, I put two capacitors. I was just making some experiments. This one has just one capacitor here, and the oscillator is made with just these inductors. There is no coil, no wire, just inductors. And I decided to make an update. This battery here, it's a steel and aluminum, like this. This piece of aluminum is wrapped around this little thing, and the steel is inside with paper as a insulator. And this is running since last year, 26th of December. I did not charge it, and it's running well for a while now. It's with 641 millivolts. This is the discharge from that battery. It begins with here with 1228 at 26. It was running just with water, but I decided to add Epsom salts and distilled water, and then it came to 824, 435, and now it's with 514 today. The discharge graph, it's running since 26th of last year, and today is 7th. This other oscillator, you can see that it's still running. It's a very faint light, and it's also here it's steel and aluminum, and this is running since last year too, but I did not made a discharge graph or nothing, because this one gets a little, very little power from it. Then it's just lit very faintly, but it's running since last year too. I made this battery before this other one, and well, I think I connected this battery on 24th of December, and it's still running, no charge. So this are two steel aluminum with distilled water and Epsom salts. The Epsom salt here, you can see, they really like to grow. They were covering all this aluminum part here. I just clean it up. This other crystal cell was the one I made with zinc from this carbon zinc batteries from my other video. It's now the water, it's now almost over. Oops. And it's almost dry inside the battery. It's a zinc copper. It's still running since the 1st of this year. Today is 7th. Then it's almost a week it's running, and here it begins with 580 and is now with 517. So this is just a little update on the long run cells. I want to get a bigger piece of copper on the next one, maybe to get more voltage on the cells. And this is just an update, a little update. And well, thanks for watching. Oh, on the next cells I'm planning to make a cover inside with MnO2, and then put the copper pipe and fill it up with this mixture of Epsom salt and alum. On this battery here, on this crystal battery, the Epsom salt is inside the copper, and between the copper and the zinc it's a mixture of Epsom salt and alum. It's made an interesting thing. See, there is different types of crystals. Inside the copper is just Epsom salt, and between the copper and the zinc there is Epsom salt and alum. Different crystals. And long running. Maybe I'll put a little more of this mixture on the outside, and until it reaches the same level of the copper. So, thank you for watching.